OpenAI wants Trump administration help fund $1.4 trillion AI dream. OpenAI has massive ambitions. Think rebuilding the internet and power grid, and is now seeking US government support to fund them. In a letter to the White House, OpenAI's Chris Lehane urged expanding the federal advanced manufacturing investment credit. The 35% tax credit from Biden's CHIPS Act could extend beyond chip making to AI servers, data centers, and grid infrastructure. Lehane wrote that expanding AMIC would lower costs, reduce risk, and attract private investment. Essentially, help us build faster and cheaper. The letter urged Washington to fast-track data center permits and create a strategic reserve of key materials, an AI-era doomsday prepper's pantry. Originally published October 27th, the letter drew attention this week as OpenAI faced questions about its government requests. At a Wall Street Journal event, CFO Sarah Frier suggested the federal government backstop OpenAI's infrastructure loans, raising immediate concerns. Frier later walked it back on LinkedIn, admitting she muddied the point. CEO Sam Altman clarified, "We don't want or have government guarantees for OpenAI data centers." Altman added that taxpayers shouldn't bail out tech firms making poor business decisions, a subtle jab at much of Silicon Valley. Still, OpenAI's ambitions remain massive. Altman says OpenAI will exceed $20 billion in annualized revenue by 2025, with $1.4 trillion in commitments. OpenAI isn't seeking a bailout, just making AI development cheaper.